Hi, Fabio. Do you see my desktop, Fabio?
Yes.
iPad. Let's wait 2 more minutes. Fabio, do you know if Joe or Roberto are going to join?
Hello, hello.
I can tell. Okay, and Alan is
Alan
on
is
holiday.
off.
Yes,
Yeah.
he's off today. Okay, let's get started. Probably we can run it pretty quickly. So, welcome everyone for weekly Identus community meeting, and today we're going to discuss a couple of interesting things. First of all, you have to remember about antitrust policy notice and code of conduct. If you need to refresh your memory, please follow the link and read this important information. Today, agenda includes 3 items. Two items One item is pretty quick. Announcement that annual report was reviewed and merged, so everything is fine. We finished this important milestone. And second item in agenda is VDR Project Catalyst final milestone. Oh, new guys. Hi, Elias. Welcome again. So today we're going to summarize our achievement, and finally I will show a small demo of Cloud Agent and Prism Node as a VDR driver. This part will be added to the platform release together with NeoPrism and ScalaDit drivers. So summary is pretty small. I was able to run end-to-end test locally, and currently we have this end-to-end test in CI. And in this test, we have VDR API. If you navigate to the test report, there are managed VDR entries using Prism node. And I guess this report. Oh, yes, this is a previous test with memory and database drivers. So all tests are passed. And if we open another report that I run with Prism Node, I will show you the REST API and VDR drivers that we have in Cloud Agent and NeoPrism. So we also have all the suite passing, and we manage VDR entry with Prism Node driver. Oops, do you see me, guys? Because I have some.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, excellent. This spec shows that we can create a DID with managed VDR key. We can publish this VDR key to the Prism node, and we can create, update, and deactivate the VDR entry. In details, I can just show you a couple of API calls. When we create a VDR entry, we can see, where's it? Issue create. Yep. We have REST query with this data, and we use Prism driver family. Data are mutable because Prism VDR driver specification is about immutable data, and we have a driver ID Prism node. And as a response of data creation, we have VDR URL, which includes VDR, family, version, and hash. Hash will be refactored to the query param. We discussed this with guys, but overall it works within this contract. And yep, this is a hash of this data. Issuer can resolve this data using this. We just, as you know, Prism node publishes the Atala operations and VDR operations to the Cardano driver. That's why we have pending submission and then confirmed and applied operation status for this VDR entry, and then issuer can see the VDR data. So where's yep. Issuer can resolve this VDR data, and using this URL and driver parameters with hash. Then issuer can update VDR data by calling put REST API with new data. Another operation is sent to the Prism node. First query, it's as usual pending submission, and in a couple of seconds it's also confirmed and applied, and issuer can use the same URL to get updated data. Yep. And deletion is a delete request in a REST API. We use the same URL and able to deactivate data. At the end, when someone is looking for this VDR entry, he's going to get 44 error, which means that VDR entry not found. But initially, this data is stored in a Cardano blockchain and will be available for somebody who would like to verify it and refer to it on a lower level. Any questions to this spec? Probably not. So probably it was easy and complex task at the same time, because Fabio and Pat implemented VDR, Prism VDR driver in NeoPrism and Scala Deep. So for me, it was a kind of porting this logic to the Prism node, but at the same time, Cloud Agent and Prism node solution includes three parties: HTTP client, REST API that exposed by Cloud Agent, and the gRPC API between the Cloud Agent and Prism node, and initial implementation of indexer and a verification logic in the Prism node. So it took a little bit more time than I expected because of these three different components. Components were worked together to implement this VDR driver. And as a project catalyst final stage, I just wanted to celebrate together with you guys and just summarize what we delivered over this time. So there are two specifications, generic VDR driver, kudos to Gonzalo Fabio, a Prism VDR driver specification. Here we have primary contributor Fabio and Pat, and we have generic VDR driver implementation in Kotlin, implemented by Gonzalo, and we have three VDR driver implementation. Prism VDR driver in Scala using BlockFrost API with file or MongoDB indexing backend. NeoPrism, another VDR driver implementation in Rust with different input feeds. It might be BlockFrost or Aura or DB-Sync endpoint, and also pluggable storage and REST API, and Prism Node plus Cloud Agent VDR driver implementation that I demonstrated you a couple of minutes ago. All these packages and information together with documentation are logged under each milestone that we have here. Same links with demos, presentations, and supporting documents. I just want you to recap everything that we've done. So here we delivered in-memory and DB drivers together with generic driver. In third milestone, we polished VDR specification and implemented Prism VDR driver together with REST API and NeoPrism. OpenAPI specification is also available, and we demonstrated a number of use cases with Prism VDR driver and NeoPrism. Kudos to Fabio and Pat. In the third milestone, we polished it more and demonstrated comprehensive documentation, examples, and walkthrough slide deck. The intention to integrate Cloud Agent VDR with Scala DIT, and yep, it was integrated with Scala DIT and BlockFrost, and now we have also Prism DIT and general Cardano stack, and same packages, links, and artifact with the corresponding documentation. And here, guys, we have to compose a closed out report and closed out video that we are doing right now, supported by the demo of the Cloud Agent and Prism Node VDR. So applause for everyone who was involved, and I believe that it's a great achievement that we did together. Question, comments? Would you like to add something? Oh, hi, John. I missed you. Okay, thank you for applause. Great. We will publish this video as evidence of this final milestone. And the next plans for VDRs, we have to include this VDR into the Identus platform. We have to figure out how to use VDR in SDKs. It might be NeoPrism or some other implementation in TypeScript or other native language with third-party indexers. Anyway, we will keep you posted and updated regarding all the stuff, but the initial VDR implementation is going to be delivered in the next platform release in Cloud Agent and NeoPrism, and as binaries with Prism VDR driver. Okay, we are done here, and the final item that I wanted to discuss with you, it's probably kind of a brainstorming. I mentioned last week that the Linux Foundation has a mentorship program, and it's a great opportunity for us to define some meaningful tasks and apply for this program. And unfortunately, this week is the last week when we can create this submission. So I wanted to discuss with you if you have any ideas over the week or anything else that we can use to apply for this program. In short, I remember that we discussed MCP, sorry, protocol for AI agent using the Identus components. We also discussed that it would be great to have Kubernetes infrastructure for Identus infrastructure, and I'm happy to discuss any other ideas with you if you have. What do you think? John, probably you can say something.
I'm driving right now, so I'm just
Okay.
listening.
No problem. Then ping me in Discord later if you have any ideas with Roberto. Fabio, Pat, Gonzalo, Elias, would you like to discuss some other ideas?
For that context now. So for the just to for the Catalyst program, we just need to do a report and it's finished, right? Or is
No,
anything else?
Catalyst is finished. Yep, we're going to publish this video with the corresponding packages and artifacts.
Okay.
I'm talking about the Linux Foundation mentorship program.
Yeah, I didn't look at it.
Okay, then I would say that you have around 2 days to ping me and submit particular ideas, because as far as I know, submission is going to be ended soon.
Hey Yuri, is this that they are a mentor to us or we are a mentor to somebody else? What's the high level idea?
Identus maintainers are going to mentor some other engineers who are going to apply to this program, and it might be Identus community members like you, Roberto, or anyone else in Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust community. I guess it's the first time when we can apply for this program, but the main idea that Linux Foundation is going to allocate some funds to help us deliver particular components.
Can you hear me? I think.
Sorry, Elliot?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Please, can you share the link for the for this thing, the mentorship? So yeah. Okay. I think I'm just seeing it today. I wasn't aware. I didn't also see it through any communication channel, even though. Anyway, I'll have. You said when's the deadline?
This week.
As in by end of Friday, end of week.
David from Linux Foundation told me that we have to submit the project till the end of this week. Probably it might be extended, I don't know. But this is a timeline I'm aware about. And we discussed this last week at the community meeting. And I believe that it was announced somewhere in the Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust channels in Discord.
Oh, okay. And I think I missed it. Okay, maybe in the public channels like LinkedIn, I think we should. Anyway, I'll just look at it. Thank you.
Yep. Okay, guys. Any other questions, ideas, issues? Because I guess I'm done for today.
No, not from my side.
Excellent, guys.
Oh, yep.
Then
How many? Sorry. How many ideas do we need for just one, right? We need to
just
pick
one. Yeah, we need to pick one, and we need to have this experience. I guess it's going to be interesting.
Okay. Okay.
So we need a project idea, and then we
So,
mentor another engineer to work through that project.
Yes.
And do you, as far as you know, is the project related to adding on to Identus, or is it any like a new product or a tutorial or something unrelated to the actual product?
I believe it's going to, there are proposal guidelines, and I
Okay.
believe it should be related to the, it's a kind of a program to facilitate and speed up particular development of the projects under Linux Foundation.
Okay. Okay. I'll take a look. When I'm not driving, I'll take a look, and I'll ping you.
so
Thanks.
I think is it like GSOC, like the Google Summer of Code? Is it the equivalent of Linux Foundation's one?
I don't know. It's the first time. Oh, sorry, guys. I have to stop sharing and share again. It's a little bit messy. It's a similar program as the Project Catalyst, as far as I know. And it's the first time when we have opportunity to apply for this program.
Oh, okay.
But for Project Catalyst, Javi created the request in the Project Catalyst website. And for this program, someone also should do this, and it's probably going to be me. I recovered sharing. Okay, you have 2 days to brainstorm. I have 2 items in my head that I shared with you. Actually, we can also start with some SDK Rust or React Native components or secret storage, but it would be great to discuss this with Javi as well. So I remember that over the last 2 months, we discussed model context protocol and infrastructure, like a unified and simple cloud native approach to deploy Identus stack. And yep, your ideas. You can ping me or Fabio in Discord, and we can discuss this asynchronously, or we can create some document to facilitate this discussion. But at the end, we can choose one idea that we can create. Okay? Great. And as usually at the end of the meeting, I have an awesome gift for all of you. You have 34 minutes free time out of this meeting. Thank you for joining, and see you in 1 week.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You
You guys.
bye.
Bye-bye.